I'm always surprised to see so many marketers dismissing the concept of free as outdated. The argument is that as people got smarter, they now see beyond the idea of free. In reality, this belief is caused by the fact that many businesses do not understand why and how the concept is supposed to work in the first place. In fact, most businesses use the idea of free more as a word rather than as a psychological principle. They offer free this and free that, and then they are surprised it doesn't work. Okay, so when does free work? Just to point out that the idea of a free gift employs the principle of reciprocity. As a quick reminder, when we receive an unexpected favor, we feel the urge to offer a favor in return. Very often, in order to reduce the cognitive stress, we return favors much larger than the favors we receive. However, as I mentioned so many times before, the free gift that you offer on your website must be perceived by your audience as a purple cow. Too often people are getting hit with pop-ups, emails, ads and so on. They are being asked for their contact details and loyalty in exchange for a product, report or some other type of lead magnet of no value to them or of very little value. Even when it works and people do sign up, you are simply allowing your subscribers to explain away the gift by thinking something along the line, I downloaded this thing simply out of curiosity. The idea of free also employs reciprocity in a more unexpected way. As an example, as a digital marketer, you often come across various tools offering free trials. Most people think of free trials as a way to allow us to test a tool, sometimes out of curiosity. However, Robert Cialdini details many experiments in his classic book on influence and persuasion to show that once we take the trial, you feel an urge to reciprocate and you are more likely to take an action. Let me quickly go back to the name of Steve Kirk's book. Don't make me think. Free works in the same way, as shown by another experiment described by Dan Ariely in his book Predictability Irrational. Let's have a quick quiz. If I offered you a choice between a candy priced at 1 cent and a similar one priced at 26 cents, which one would you choose? Well, in his experiment, Ariely found that most people took the 26-cent candy, as expected. Basically, people went for a much higher priced product when the alternative was a 1-cent product, even though very similar. But what if I offered you a choice between a free candy or a 26-cent candy? I think you already know what's coming. When they were offered a choice between a free candy and a 26-cent candy, most people in the experiment went for the free option. So, I hope we can agree that the difference between 1 cent and free is not significant, and yet presenting the candy as free rather than as a 1 cent made the whole difference. Just something for you to think about next time you consider using the concept of free. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.